Hi everybody, welcome to Moo Moo Cow Toys. Today we will be opening some Care Bear blind bags and finding Dory surprise eggs. So let's get started. Alright, let's go for that Finding Dory surprise egg. Let's open that up. Okay, looks like we have a flyer there. Tells you exactly what collections we can collect. Okay, and looks like we have a Bailey and Dory sticker. And let's open this up. Looks like we have a keychain. There's Dory and Nemo. Very, very nice. Okay, let's put that down. And of course we get a cookie. Oh, there you go. A cookie treat. Okay, let's try these Care Bears Series 3 Pearlized Edition blind bags. That sounds pretty cool. And all the different Care Bears are right there on the back. Okay, let's open it. Looks like we have Best Friend Bear. Very cool. There's a star, a rainbow, and a heart on the tummy, and a little heart on the back. Very, very cool, Best Friend Bear. Okay, let's go ahead and open our next Finding Dory surprise egg. And of course we have our little flyer there. And it looks like we have a sticker of Nemo and Marlin. Hi guys. And it looks like we have another keychain. Wonder which character we got. Let's take a look. It looks like it's Destiny and Dory. And if you look closely it says Pipe Pals. Very cool. And of course our cookie treat. Awesome. Alright, how about those Care Bears blind bags? Yes, let's open them up. Oh, looks like it's Cheer Bear. A rainbow across her tummy. That's so cute. And I love that little heart on her back. Yes. Alright. In our next Care Bears blind bag. Looks like it's Hopeful Heart Bear. Has a heart right on her tummy too. And a heart on her butt. Yeah, that's so cute. And I love that pink pearlized color. Awesome. And our last surprise. It looks like it's a Finding Dory foil pack with dog tag and stickers. Very cool. It includes, it says 1 of 8 sticker sheets and 1 of 24 unique tags. So let's open this and see which ones we get. Looks like we have a little flyer here of all the different dog tags we can collect. I believe there's 24 of them. In the back are the different stickers, I believe. Very cool. Well, looks like we have 3 stickers in the shape of stars. Okay, and this must be our dog tag. You just put that around your neck. It says 20 of 24 and the name Gerald. Very cool. Alright. Well, thanks everybody for watching Moo Moo Cow Toys. Leave me a comment below and let me know which is your favorite character. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you everybody. See you later. Bye-bye.